Running a great repair shop isn't enough if local customers can't find you. Random posts and occasional promotions rarely create consistent calls, sales, or customer loyalty. That's where America's Best Shops becomes your dedicated vehicle repair marketing partner. AI shows us what customers search for, which campaigns work, and where sales are being lost. AI can answer inquiries, follow up with leads, and help book services even after closing. We turn your shop's expertise into helpful content that builds trust before customers ever call. Automated reminders, review requests, and follow-ups keep customers engaged and bring them back sooner. Better data means better decisions, stronger customer retention, and more approved repair work. America's Best Shops connects your marketing, communication, reputation, and sales into one intelligent system. Stop guessing with your marketing. Let America's Best Shops help your repair shop grow with AI.